Hey guys, you've set up your Shopify store. But what if I told you that there's a secret superpower hiding under your hood? It's called meta fields. And once you get them, your store will never be the same. Think of meta fields as extra pockets in your Shopify products, collections, or customers. Places to store extra into Shopify doesn't show by default. If you want to add a special ingredient list, a care guide, or even custom shipping information, meta fields are where the magic happens. So, Shopify's default product page is great, but limited. Meta fields lets you customize beyond basic titles and description. This means your product can have unique details that make buyers say, "Wow, that's exactly what I need." Good news, Shopify made it easier than ever. You can now add meta fields directly in your Shopify admin, no coding required. So here's where it gets fun. Use meta fields to add things like extra product spaces, size charts and downloadable PDFs, custom badges like limited edition, and special instructions for customers or shipping. Once you start using meta fields, your store feels less like generic shop and more like a tailored boutique. It's all about adding those small but mighty details that makes big impact. So, what's your unique info that you would add up with meta fields? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more Shopify tips that give you real edge. And I will see you in the next one.